What's up, guys? I'm here to assist you with a quick walkthrough of how to use the reusable Vertuo capsule kit. So we've done a couple proof of concept. Ashley's made a wonderful coffee already. I'll show you guys how we do this. So the first thing, when you open up your package, it has this little razor blade guy, these little packs, the tops for it, a little brush, and then also this little guy, which is the assembly for him. So this is everybody that comes with. Now, when you look at the directions that are on the box, step one is you take an old capsule, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the little razor blade and you're gonna cut off the top tin foil. This is actually one that we already did, but I'll just cut the tin foil away real quick. And then once you do that, you just get the coffee out from the inside of it and clean it up really good. So you take the top off, clean it out really good, rinse it out. And then once you do that, you are left with these guys. So the top has been taken off of it. It's been cleaned up and we're ready to go. So the first step, second step after that is you're gonna take your little capsule guy. And so there's a couple pieces to it. We're gonna set the clean pod down into there for when we're loading the coffee and everything. And then this is actually how we're gonna tamp it down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our coffee. This can get a little bit messy. So I got this guy, I got a little spoon over here. So what I've been doing is I've been taking it and just trying to fill it up above the coffee bag. Obviously you could do it however you like to, but just take a spoon, fill it up a little bit, and then we're going to take this little guy. We're going to set him in here. Take the tamper, and again, it could come off if you'd like to. We're going to tamp it down, and again, just because I don't want that excess coming down, I'm going to do that over here. Now, we're going to take our little brush. If there's any that has gone on the top like this, we're just going to brush it down. And the reason why we're doing this is this little seal that we're getting ready to use has two parts on it. So we're gonna take it, and you see there's two tabs. When you fold it, you're gonna wanna fold it so this tab is facing you. So we fold it, you're gonna pull off this back. So you see the little tab that's facing out? We're gonna pull this off, it's gonna expose just the rim. When we look at this in just a second, it'll make a lot of sense of why we're doing this. So now we're gonna take this, we're gonna set it down on the edge of that pod, and then we're gonna take the little piece of paper and we're just gonna pull it right off. And actually, I didn't fold the paper out, so let me do that first. Okay, so this little piece of paper, and I'll show you on the next one real quick. So as long as that little piece is out, it makes it super easy just to pull this and it'll lay the rest of it flat, like so. Boom. So that was the first one. Again, a little messy. Hold on. I'm gonna get my dog from stop barking, maybe, possibly. She is barking, not barking. Okay, so we'll do one more and I'll do it correct. So again, coffee inside of this, and these are expensive. You know, these are like $6 a piece or something normally. So get a bag of coffee you like. You can also mix them if you want to, experiment, do whatever you want to. So again, we put the coffee in, we're gonna tamp it down. Tappy, tappy, tappy. It'd be cool to get something that has like a little nice design. Obviously, you could put it up higher. You want it to be nice and packed, but I'm not trying to make a mess, so we'll pack it in a little bit more just to kind of show you all. Because there is a little, if you do it right, it'll say Nespresso on it. It says the words. So we'll take this, again, brush it down. Now we'll do it correctly this time. So we'll fold it along this middle section. You see, as long as that little tab is facing out. So we're gonna fold it. We're gonna take the little semi-round piece off first. And then now that we've done that, this little piece will fold it back out. So now this little piece is ready for us. So we'll do it again. We're gonna ask our dog to stop barking. And then we'll put it here, pull the little tab and lay it flat. And you are done. So that is a quick little guide, you guys. Hopefully that was helpful. It was a little weird. Once you figure out this little section, it's a lot easier. Again, folding it along that line so this little tab that's facing outwards is facing you, peeling it off, making sure you pack it down. You guys are good to go. Thanks for watching. Again, this has been This with the Sips. Delicious.